There are some people that only strength train, only do resistance training, and they think because their heart rate's getting really elevated, they're filling that cardiovascular aerobic exercise bin because their heart rate's getting elevated. But Dr. Levine came on the podcast and said that that really wasn't the case.
Definitely not the case. So strength training cannot be your form of cardio, I think is the too long, didn't read version of that. So yes, while it is true that your heart rate will increase when you do strength training, if you continue to do strength training and compare it to aerobic exercise training for one, you don't get the same improvement. So if you do, if you look at all the benefits of aerobic exercise training, that include like improvements in endothelial function, cardiovascular structure, like we talked about, blood pressure.
Strength training definitely can provide significant benefits to the cardiovascular system, especially when you're taking minimal rest breaks and your heart rate does get pretty high. But if we're looking at how strength training compares to typical aerobic training, then these sort of sports actually do confer different sorts of adaptations and benefits as we compare it to strength training. So I actually personally think that we can still see huge benefits to the cardiovascular system just from strength training. But if we really want to go above and beyond to really optimize our cardiovascular system, then we need to do a hybrid between dedicated aerobic training, such as steady state training, such as a rower, bike, running, that sort of stuff, or dedicating specific days to these aerobic activities. Because I think a hybrid between both strength training and aerobic training is probably the best for overall health and longevity.